Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Telegram messages. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Telegram, and if you want to recover deleted messages, you need to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to see your profile. Now scroll down a little bit and first of all click and go to data and storage. Now we will see all these options. So first of all, you need to check private chats, this option, click on it, and if you have these options turned on like this, it means the messages that contained photos or videos are already saved in your gallery, and you can open your gallery and check. If you want, you can just simply enable these options for the future. Now go to the group chats, you can also toggle it on, and as you can see, now it looks fine. But the good thing about Telegram is that it backups all its data to your iCloud. So if we go to the settings on our device, go to our Apple ID account and click on iCloud right here, go to the applications and scroll down to the end, we will see that Telegram is enabled. It means all the information, all the chats, all the messages, everything is backed up to our iCloud. So in order to have these messages back, all we have to do is to simply delete the Telegram, clicking on remove app and then clicking on delete app to confirm the action, and you need to reinstall the application from the App Store, and the iCloud will back up all the data that it had, and basically you will get your chats back. And basically that is it. It is how you can see or recover deleted messages on Telegram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.